Hey guys,
Hey.
Emily,
Hey.
Ashley,
Where do
and
you
Kate.
look?
We're like we're like part of Kekame. Just a little fun. And look, Adam and Kayla are coming too. There's Adam. He's not in Kekame though. So where's
The boy.
Kayla? He's kind of in Kekame, but not really.
Boy.
Oh, go to the other one. It was the one on the other side. Try and turn lights on so it could be brighter. Let there be light. Oh my God. Okay. Where's Kayla? We need to get Kayla. Kayla! There's really no point to this either. We just like saying hi to the camera and you guys. It's okay.
She went upstairs by accident.
Oh, it's fine. We're making a quick video. Would you like to be in it? You like your dress? I love it. I love it. Come here. Come here. Say hi to the camera.
No, I hate you. Make me angry.
Kayla, say hi to the camera. Come on. She doesn't like how my sound is off still. There she is. Kayla, hi. Okay. Well, we're going to New Year's Eve parties, and we're heading off soon. So we love you all, and we will talk to you later. Bye, guys.